Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use breakout rooms in Zoom. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, start or join a Zoom meeting as the host or co-host. Once your meeting is running, if you don't see the Breakout Rooms button, click More and then select Breakout Rooms. This will open the Breakout Rooms setup window. Now enter the number of breakout rooms you want to create. Think about how many participants you have and how you want to divide them into groups. Next, choose how participants will be assigned. You can select automatically to let Zoom divide everyone into groups, manually if you want to assign each participant yourself, or let participants choose their room if you want them to join any available room. After choosing your preferred option, click Create. Zoom will create the breakout rooms based on your settings. Review the rooms if needed, move participants between rooms, rename the rooms, or adjust other settings before starting them. When you're ready, click Open All Rooms. Participants will receive an invitation to join their assigned breakout room. As the host, you can join any room, move between rooms, broadcast a message to all rooms, or close the rooms whenever you want. And that's it. So that's basically how you can use breakout rooms in Zoom. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.